This is a synthesis matrix for the literature review, Ed 106, by Matt Trudeau, Liz Rikinen, Emily Maskovitz, and Liliana Vargas. Our first main idea is outside factors. Source number 1 is by the author Rudder, How a Broken Home Life, Abuse, and Neglect Influence Resilience in a Child's Development. Source number 2 is by the author Inam, Parents' Non-Encouragement Has the Most Effect on Social Anxiety of Children. Source number 3 is by the author Gilligan, The Relationship Between Outside Activities and Child Growth in Public Care. Our main idea, number 2, is The Science of Resilience. By the author Masden, our source number 1 is Accomplishment and Critiques of the Science of Resilience and the Maturing of Resilience Science. Our source number 2 is by Rudder, Gene-to-Gene Interaction, Hereditary Behavioral Characteristics. Our source number 3 is by Alvord, The Study of Children in Various Cultures. Our third main idea is the outcomes and effects of the studies of both ideas number 1 and number 2. Our first source is by Gilligan, The Influence on Children of Mentors, Activities, and Interests in Public Care Enhance Child Growth. Source number 2 is by the author Alvord, What Therapies and Techniques Help the Child Be More Resilient. And our third source is by the author Masden, Globalization of Resilience Science also has the potential to increase appreciation for the value of developmental science across sectors, science, and cultures.